Hello everyone, today I'm going to try to set a world record using React. I'm going to do something that might seem simple on the outside, but in reality it's quite a complex task. And I know because I've done this before 20 minutes ago and I forgot to enable the audio on my mic. So I'm doing it all over again. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to make a counter in React. And it's going to be timed. And the challenge is that, number one, I have to do it on my iPad, which I almost just broke. On my iPad, number one. And number two, you see this keyboard over here that I have attached to it? Well, I'm only allowed to use 3 keys on that keyboard. And for everything else, I have to write it out using this Apple Pencil. So, for example, if I want to make a constant variable, I have to type const using this pencil. And the only things I'm allowed to use on this keyboard are, number one, the space bar, to space anything out. Number 2, return to make a new line. And number 3, the delete key. And the only reason I'm allowed to use all 3 of those is because you can't do it, at least from what I know, with this Apple Pencil. So as you can see, I'm on codesandbox. It allows you to just make React applications on Chrome, which my iPad has. And the challenge will start as soon as I click React and the output is rendered onto the screen on the right. And here we go. We're starting right now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over using the thing because it takes up a lot of space. There we go. All right. Move that over even a time. Okay, whatever. That's good enough. Okay, we're going to delete all this boilerplate text and stuff like that. Just completely get rid of that. And the problem, one of the big problems here that's going to be a challenge is the fact that whenever I move the pencil, it thinks that I'm trying to scroll the actual page itself, which is really annoying because I can't do stuff you would normally be able to do with the pencil, like highlight big pieces of text, because every time I try to actually highlight something, it just thinks that I'm actually trying to move the screen and draw at the same time, which is terrible. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and import useState from React. Oh, and my return key is not working right now. I've had this problem before. For some reason, sometimes the keyboard decides to work, sometimes it doesn't. But the delete key always works. And I just got rid of the one new space I had, so let's try and... This is already going terribly. There we go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to import... Oh, no, let's go back. Okay. Nope. Okay. Import React, comma, squiggly, use state, end squiggly, from React. I'd be really surprised if I got this on the first try. Okay, that's pretty good. That's not too bad. We can fix this. So first, I'm going to keep that capital S because it's really hard to draw capitals on your iPad. We're going to go ahead and delete that R, and we're just going to try and add the squigglies in here. So squiggly 1. All right, let's go to the end. Squiggly 2. Okay, here we go. We got it. Let's make a new line. Okay, then we just got to do const. Okay, perfect. Space and square bracket count, comma, set count. Okay. Wrong brackets and capital S here. So let's go ahead and there we go. Okay. All right. Gotta get over here and delete and then square bracket. Nope. Okay. Square bracket. Oh, I missed. So if you draw it too big, it just adds it to the next line. Okay, count and set count. There we go. Oh, drew it too big again. Come on. Why does it keep doing that? Okay. There we go. Equals use state 0. Okay. Use state close, bracket 0 end bracket. There we go. Okay. And okay, semicolons are almost impossible to draw by themselves, and it doesn't stop it from not rendering, so I'm just going to leave that there. Now, first thing I'm going to do is display the count in some paragraph tags. So P Okay. Squiggly, no, damn it. Okay. Squiggly count. Okay. What do I want to keep here? I guess we can replace the R with an N. Okay, close. NT. Alright, that's annoying. Okay, whatever. I'll just redo the whole thing. Okay. Squiggly, COUNT, N squiggly. There we go. And then slash P. Okay. Big P. We need small P. Come on. There we go. Okay. And now button. Okay. Space. On click equals close. We can salvage almost all of this. Just gotta find a way to replace. Okay. We need a CK here. CK. Okay, K. Nice. Okay, so our on click is just gonna be a function in squigglies. Oh man, that would have been sick if I hit that one, because it created both of them. Okay, come on. Perfect. Okay, and then perfect equals. No, wrong place. Equals. Keeps moving the cursor every time I do the equals. Okay, there we go. And then arrow function, and then set count. Yes, set count, and then we're just gonna do state. Oh, where did that squiggly come from? Okay, that's fine. Oh, that's a squiggly from the end. I'm gonna have to add that back in. And then the bracket. Nope, wrong place. It's easier to do the equals, so I'll just keep that. And then state plus 1. Nope. Plus 1. Nope. Plus 1. Why keeps thinking I'm making an H? Okay, plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Plus 1. Maybe I gotta try the plus. But how do you get it to differentiate the plus from a T? Maybe I just gotta draw it small. Maybe jeez. Plus 1. Plus plus. Plus 1. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Maybe I gotta do the whole sentence again. Let's try state plus 1. This is the run killer. State plus 1. There we go. Okay, capital S, that's fine. We can fix that. Small s? No, still capital S. Small s? No. Tate? State. No. Okay. Little s. Very small. Very small s. Oh, it's because it's at the start of the word. It's trying to do capital. I see. Okay. It's easier to just delete the whole thing at this point. State. There we go. And then let's end the squiggly. And the bracket. No. All right. Now all we got to do is write increment to label the button. Perfect. And then slash button. Okay. Not exactly. Slash but. Oh, I forgot the slash. No. Okay, well, it didn't work anyways. Okay. Let me do the tag first. Nope. Maybe just that and slash. I'm not allowed to click the autocomplete stuff. Oh, close. All right, as soon as I increment to 10, we're done. And time. Okay. Whew. There you go. That is the current world record for a button made in React. using only 3 keys from the keyboard and an Apple Pencil. And if you like React content like this, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment on what challenge I should try next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.